This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, tinted glass, and this vehicle has less than 67,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
BusterMilesFord is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1880 Almon Street in Heflin.